Here's a pair of the Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S26. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take out the earbuds out of the case here. And what we want to do is look for a blue light blinking on both of them, which will indicate it's in pairing mode. Okay, I'm not getting like no blue blinking light. It was a solid blue light and it turned off. So let me manually put this into pairing mode. So just grab one of the earbuds, doesn't matter if it's the left or right one. And simply what you want to do is put this into your ear, or you can just hold it like this and tap, and then tap and hold up here. Okay, ready? Tap and then tap and hold. Now just hold for like 5 seconds, just wait till it starts blinking blue. There we go, it's blinking blue. Now both of them should be blinking blue. It's in pairing mode. Now we're going to shoot over to our Android phone here, and we're going to directly go to settings. From here we'll go into connections on this phone here, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Okay, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then that little spinning thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up here under available devices. It's still in the pairing mode, and it did find the JBL Vibe Beam 2 here. So just tap on that. With Android phones, we should get a pairing request. Tap on pair, and voila, we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.